Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to discuss about the various support plans. I hope you are now able to create the AWS account and log into it. So as I mentioned, we need to select the basic support plan which is free for 12 months. So let me show you the different AWS support categories. So this is how the AWS Management Console looks like. These are the different services. By default, it might show you a different region. You can select it to the region of your location. So in general, AWS has three categories for supporting assistance. One is account and billing, other one is service limit increase, and third one is technical assistance. In the cloud certified practitioner exam, you can expect couple of questions on the support plans. So you need to be clear on the support plans. So when you see here, you can click the support. In the support center, you can you can see all the different categories, which is the currently I am in the basic support plan, which is the free tier. And if you want to understand the different support plans, you can click view support plans, and there are different developer, business, and enterprise. We are going to look into all those in the details. So go back to our support dashboard, and this is how the support center looks like. We want to create a new incident. You can create a case. This is the account and billing related information. If you want to increase the service limit, you can use the service limit increase. If you want technical support, then you can use this. Before creating a case, we will first understand the details about account and billing and service limit and the different plans for technical support. So account and billing support, it is free for all the support plans, and there is 24 by 7 support. In this kind of support for account and billing, you can raise incidents related to your account and billing. As you can see here, you can select the type. If you have any incident questions related to account or account management or billing or education or marketplace, you can select the type as account. Click on, there are subcategories that you can choose. If you want to change the account details, if you want to close or cancel your account for any reason, or if you want to convert EC2 Classic into VPC, we'll be discussing it into detail. So, and if you are unable to access your account for any reason, you can just select the required category, provide a brief summary for the issue, and then give a detailed account of your issue. So this is particularly used for the account and the billing. So now the second category is service limit increase. So let's come to the service limit increase. So this, if you need to increase the service limit for any of the AWS services, you can raise a ticket to this support group and they will review and increase the soft limit for those AWS services. Let me give you an example. There is a networking service called as Virtual Private Cloud. We will be discussing it more in detail in this course. There is a dedicated session for that. It has a limit to create 5 VPCs in a single region. However, if your client requirement or your use case requires a need for more than 10 VPCs, you can raise a ticket and they will review your use case and then they will increase the limit. Similarly, for Elastic Compute Cloud, it is a service where you can launch servers. The limit is 20 running servers. And if your use case requires that you have to launch 30 servers, and then you can raise a ticket and it will be increased after the review. So other services also have certain limits, and if your use case requires them to increase the limit, you can raise a request. Let me show you. This is the case detail, the limit type. Select the type of service which you want. For example, I want to increase in simple storage service. I want to increase the number of buckets. Buckets are nothing but folders where you can store the files or data. So by default, the soft limit is 100. If you want to increase the limit of the buckets to 200, you can just give the new limit value as 200. And if you want to create another request, you can do that and then give the use case description, the reason why you want to increase the limit to 200, and then they will be contacting you either by web or by phone, and then you can submit a request. So that is about the service limit increase. The third category is technical support. Let's get into more details about the technical support. But since we are using the free plan, there is no technical support available for the basic support plan. So let me have a, a detailed discussion about the AWS support plan in the next video. Thank you.